Uh-oh, I don't hear the car.
Hello? It's Arizona. It's freaking hot. Me and Brent, we brought out the limos. It was a cool 88 degrees when we left the house this morning. Nice and crisp, cool
It's only
day.
89 now.
And we're at 89. We hauled butt over here. So, a couple things. We came out of the track. I had a few people, actually quite a few people say, you have to take this to the track and throw down a time. So, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna try to throw down a time. Talked to quite a few of my buddies. There's zero confidence in any of them thinking that I'm gonna do a fast time. And there's a lot of confidence that I'm gonna wreck. I've noticed that. Brent, how many times did you tell me that I'm gonna blow how many corners?
Quite a few.
Yeah. Put it in the comments. What do you think is gonna happen? Am I wrecking? Am I gonna tie my other PROR's time? I got a little more power here, but I also got a longer wheelbase. And this tight track, like it's really tight. A lot of tight corners, right, Brent?
Yes.
High horsepower really isn't a benefit out here. There's two straightaways that are pretty long, and that's it. Other than that, it's go, I don't know what, 100 feet and turn, another 150 feet turn. It's constantly turning, and we got a massive limo, and I'm on 35s, so I don't over rev the snot out of it. But also we got Tim Tymon's hood scoop here. So the benefit here is, this is with TNT, Tim Tymon's hood scoop. It makes it so that my in cab's a little bit cooler on these nice hot summer days that are 88 as the sun's coming up. And then on top of that, it's gonna keep my belt temp and my inside by my feet a lot cooler with this setup on what he has done. So I'm pretty excited about this. But one good news I found out yesterday is when you're running big horsepower, you throw a turbo on a PROR, it's just a given you're gonna start going through belts. And anyone that says you're not is just full of it. But I was pretty excited about this yesterday. As I was buying these tires, these guys are like, oh, we got this belt here. And they said it has a warranty on it. And I said, does it matter if you add a turbo to your car and add a lot of extra horsepower? Are they gonna avoid that warranty? And they said no. They've had zero issues with people being denied. So I bought this belt. So hopefully I don't have to buy a belt. But I think that hood scoop's gonna help me a lot. Also, we have a tap clutch on there. And Sean's got that pretty dialed. So hopefully we don't go through a lot of belts, but maybe it saves me a couple belts by warranting them. We'll see.
Yeah. Good idea.
So here we go. Let's do a lap.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Uh-oh, I don't hear the car. Do I see it? Is he upright?
Ah! You gotta be kidding me. Brand new tire. a hot lap.
So what happened? New tires? How are they working out for you?
Not too well.
Did you make a lap?
No.
No. You were doing fast. You're going.
Yeah.
And then I go, I can't hear the car. Uh-oh. 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 And then I heard the car again, and I go, that's a good sign. That means he's alive. Yeah.
Jeez. And I don't have a spare on a 35.
Nope, you're done. Oh, wait. Should I film the crying? No, you're done.
I have my 33 I brought. I don't know.
Oh, we could get the spare on and get it back, but...
I want to do a lap, though. This is just, it's just frustrating, you know? You spend all this time coming out here. You set your car up. Like, I didn't even have tires on this thing yesterday. And then...
brand new tires.
Put these fresh tires on here. Yeah, I went cheap. Didn't put a beadlock on here, but I've gotten away with those stock rims on this track for hundreds of miles.
It's the tire, not the rim.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's the tire. And then, you know, we come out here, and this is why I won't go do the big races unless someone's paying me to go do the big races. Because I do, what, Brent? A half a lap?
Yep.
And what did you say? No, it's like taking a girl on a date.
It's like taking a girl on a date. You buy her dinner, you take her to a movie, and you get a handshake at the end? Really? Not even a slap in the face, nothing?
And you were so excited, too, right?
Yeah.
Like, before the date started or as the date was starting, you're all giddy. You're so excited. I'm taking this thing out on its date, and
half a lap.
I'm like quarter throttling it and just flying through here. And
this thing was ripping.
I do a half a lap, and
you were ripping.
I'm out because of a freaking tire. Oh,
you were ripping. Burning vegetable oil all over the place.
Dude, there's so much vegetable oil out here.
I mean, it's scattered all over.
We might as well call ourselves farmers.
Yeah, halfway. Half the field.
Half the field is farmed. This thing is out of control fast. I don't think once I got the gas pedal to the floor. I don't think.
It sounded like you're ripping.
Like I was just like pedaling the snot out of it.
I think you're going to beat your time. Just based on
I honestly feel like I was, but I don't like to say it unless I actually have anything to back that. But I honestly felt like I was taking those corners pretty good with the limo. Now the big question is, do I do a 33 with a 35 on the track?
It won't steer right. It'll
be all over the place.
It'll send you in the ditch.
Probably.
I mean, you could drive, you just can't
go hard.
You can't go hard.
I wish you had 35s.
You had a matching spare.
I just steal one of your 35s. I should have got a spare.
Yeah, mine are 33s.
But I just had 0 tire issues.
Right.
Out here in the desert.
With these Tensors?
With these Tensors, and so like, I was pretty confident in not having a whole lot of tire issues.
Those aren't Tensors.
Those aren't Tensors, and they're 35s. What do you think it was? The cheapness of the tire or the 35? Or both?
Did you get a good price on them?
I did get a good price.
That's why. Get them at the swap meet? Or close by?
Close by.
Close by the swap meet? Because they probably sell them at the swap meet on Sunday morning.
I bet they do. And I swear, every time I've tried to do like a real race, something stupid like this has happened.
It happens. Especially if you go cheap. Got a good deal? There you go.
Yeah.
Chance on a date, see how far you get. Exactly.
Doesn't
Same
get you
thing.
far.
No, doesn't get you far.
You got some good analogies here with the women, with the dating.
Yeah, I've lost enough to know.
I've been in the dating scene a little here and there.
I've lost a few times, I know.
I still want to time it just to see.
Okay.
Because I want to go.
Just go easy, because it'll steer funny.
Bummed it's only a 215, but I had a 33
515.
and a 35.
515.
Huh?
515.
Did I say 215?
515.
So my bad. All right, so
No, the 215 was the first lap when you got the flat
well, I
tire.
only got halfway.
Yeah.
I got a 215 going
Yeah.
halfway. So yeah, it was awesome that I was able to go out and do it, but like you could feel it. Like I knew I was gonna feel it with the 33 on there and a smaller tire and everything, but I didn't know how much. But it was pretty extreme. I only bicycled on this side, but I think like 3 times. So needless to say, I got to come out here with matching tires. This sucks. I should have just bought the 5th one. I didn't. I've had so much luck with, honestly, my side-by-side tires, not trailer tires. That I didn't think I'd have this.
No,
issue.
trailer tires, it's 2 per trip.
Yeah. But I will say this: you can tell exactly where my car has drove on the track, like the exact line. There is just ruts.
Oh, it's ripping, dude.
It is. I'm like quarter throttling it through everything. So this thing is a beast. Well, the nightmare has begun. So besides the wheel issues we're having with the PROR, now I got this issue here where that just broke as we were getting the car in. That broke. So now I got a bad trailer ramp too. What else is gonna happen today, Brent?
Hopefully just lunch.
Hopefully lunch. And hopefully we aren't poisoned by our lunch.